You don't think Earth is flat? I fly a lot. One time I took a 25-hour flight, and the plane never did this. If you're on the map, if U.S. is here and another country is there, when I was going to that country, the plane never did that. That's all I said.
I had to show this to you guys. This is a book that was given to us years ago. This is copyright 1958. All about airplanes. Okay, so what's this? The Rainmakers. Look at that. Sometimes when rain has been badly needed for a long time, a pilot will turn his plane into a rain-making machine. When the meteorologist says the clouds are right, the pilot goes up and seeds them with a special chemical. And sometimes this seeding does make the clouds drop their rain. One more interesting thing, I'll let you make your own conclusions about this, but this is the map that it says that they use for air travel because it's more direct. It's, interestingly enough, got the ice wall around it. It's got the North Pole in the middle. It's got the direct flight path from New York to Tokyo. It says, now a plane can fly the black line from New York to Tokyo. Doesn't that map just make sense? It says 100 years ago, you would have had to travel the dotted black line from New York to Tokyo. This is a globe Earth map, though. And it's showing how you have to go around to get there. Doesn't make sense. So, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. But thank goodness for the Civil Aeronautics Administration that makes the air safer for us all.
What if these 12 seafaring statues are the last witnesses to a global empire that was erased? In New York stands this massive Beaux-Arts masterpiece, hiding secrets in plain sight. 4 giant continent figures guard the entrance. Asia with her tiger, Europe enthroned, Africa watchful, America bold. But look higher. Along the roofline, 12 towering statues watch silently. Greece, Rome, Phoenicia, Genoa, Venice, Spain, Holland, Portugal, Denmark, Belgium, France, and England. Just ask yourself this simple question. Why would you put statues of empires that didn't exist anymore on a building that is said to be? Built in 1907 for the United States Customs. This is the Alexander Hamilton U.S. Custom House at Bowling Green.
All right, here we are, 2026, and we're still arguing about the shape of the Earth. This is archaic, right? We have all the distance apps, altimeter apps on our phones. You can know exactly how far you are from an object. You know your elevation above sea level, your altimeter. You have to know the elevation of the object you're looking at. If you know your elevation, the object you're looking at, its elevation, and how far you are away from it, you go online. You don't even have to be smart. I took Calculus 1, Calculus 2, and Calculus 3. I don't even need to know that. All I have to do is go online and plug the information into an Earth curvature formula program, and I can figure out exactly how much of an object I should see on a round spinning ball Earth with a 4,000 mile radius. It's that simple. I did this at Pensacola, Florida. I went to Mountain Hood in Oregon, and from Mountain Hood in Oregon, you can go I-84, you go 100 miles east, and you can look at a mountain 100 miles away, and you can stand there on the highway, you're 300 feet above elevation, and the mountain has distinct features, guys, okay? You can know exactly what elevation you're looking at. Oh, that little jetty right there, that's 4,000 feet above sea level. Plug in the numbers, and you can know exactly the Earth is a flat and stationary object. There's no argument. There's not one good reason to believe the Earth is a round spinning ball. How archaic is that? There's not one. The only thing you have is a picture of an Earth from the moon, which is a computer-generated image from NASA. They even admit it's not a photo. The photos that you see of the Earth from the moon, those are not real. Those are computer-generated. How stupid do we have to be as human beings, as the human race, to believe NASA and that the Earth is a round spinning ball? All you have to do is research. So if you believe the Earth is a round spinning ball, you believe in a religion, because the round spinning ball Earth comes from Jewish mysticism, the Kabbalah. That's what Copernicus and Newton both followed. Even though they were scientists, they followed the Kabbalah, and they gave you the round spinning ball Earth. It's that simple. Stop believing a lie. Thanks.
The sun is not a tangible physical object. but rather it's an optical conical focal point source of electromagnetic radiation. The sun that we see in the sky is a holochromatic projection of the true black hole sun that is emanating from the central vortex of creation. Cosmic invisible electromagnetic energy originates from the central vortex.
The Earth is a bhumandala. Bu means plane. It's a plane mandala. A mandala is like a square or a circle with all those beautiful shapes. According to Bhagavad Gita, Canto 5, the Earth is called Bhumandala on the island of Jambudweep, and in the center is Mount Meru, and Brahma sits on top. Brahma is Jehovah, Abraham, and from that magnetic mountain it shoots onto the firmament and creates the wormhole of the sun. It makes it. From Mount Meru, it is a clock which turns every 24 hours. It turns and it projects from the center of the Earth, magnetic, onto the firmament. Thank you, Pierluigi Ghina, as well, the Italian genius, who said, "The sun is rotating above our heads in the ether." When